So I'm just here to buy some fries for my wife. I'm gonna buy my wife some fries. And after this, I'm going home. So, but this is how it looks right here. You got the little stall, the little business right here, and then pretty much, I like it when you sit here because you can see everything right here, right? Like it's pretty cool. That's the bus that we ride to Zamboanga del Norte. And that's the bus that I'm gonna ride next month. Because I have to go next month to Zamboanga City, y'all. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all want to explore Zamboanga City with me? Then let's go. I gotta pay how much? 1,500 for the trip. And yeah, that's round trip. But I mean, I don't know. That's if they're gonna call me. That's if they're gonna. Oh, this one is closed. Well, I don't know how they do it. They're always closed. But I don't know. If they call me, then we're gonna be able to do it. This one, there's nothing here also, and this one is closed. This one used to be there goes my Lamborghini, y'all. Man, that hole look tight from the top. But like I said, there is no there's no other way but to do it like that. Like I'm about to go to Samanga this month. I'm gonna go by myself so we can save a little money and manage to, you know, go through some things. So that's the way it's gonna be. Unfortunately, but we will try to do it, and we're trying little by little. Supposedly they were gonna come by the Pinkies today, but they didn't. No one showed up, and I think it's bullshit. You know, a lot of people here just talk a bunch of scrap. You know, but that's what got me stressing a little bit. We're supposed to sell the piggies, but voila, you know, it's getting to a point where we're just wasting money on the piggies, and no one has enough money, or I'm pretty sure no one has enough money to buy them. But we are here trying to live, trying to maintain, trying to keep going, exploring Asia, surviving Asia. And this is the moment, guys. We are here. If you are new, like, comment, subscribe. Explore the Philippines. Philippines is a beautiful place. It's a beautiful place. There is nothing like it. Well, I haven't been to Thailand or China, but maybe in the future. Maybe if I go to China or Thailand in the future, maybe I'll think different. But y'all come experience, y'all come explore with us. Links are in the bio. I'm waiting on the fries.